Hey, what's up, gearheads? Welcome back to Performance Playground, the place where we put car myths to the test. Today, we're tackling some of the biggest misconceptions in the car world, things you've probably heard a million times but never really questioned. Are they true or just myths? Well, let's find out. All right, myth number one. Does premium gas make your car faster and improve performance? Everyone's heard this one, but is it true? Some people swear by premium gas, saying it makes their engine run smoother, improves acceleration, and even gives them better fuel economy. But the reality, unless you drive a high-performance vehicle that specifically requires premium fuel, you're not getting much bang for your buck. Premium fuel has a higher octane rating, which means it's less likely to pre-ignite or cause knocking in engines with higher compression. But if your car is designed to run on regular gas, using premium will have zero effect on performance. You're literally burning money. Myth busted. Premium gas only helps when your car needs it. Otherwise, you're just treating your car to some overpriced fuel. Okay, this one's for all my cold weather folks. Myth number two. You have to let your car idle and warm up before driving in the winter. This one's been around forever, but is it true? Here's the deal. Back in the day, cars needed time to warm up because of carburetors, but modern engines with fuel injection don't really need that much time. In fact, letting your car idle for too long in the cold can actually cause more harm than good. Engines are most efficient when they're warmed up by driving, not idling. So, unless your windshield is iced over and you need to defrost it, you can start driving after just 30 seconds to a minute of idling. Myth busted. Get driving sooner and save both fuel and time. Myth number three. Ever heard that red cars get pulled over more often? This one's been around forever, but does the color of your car really attract more attention from cops? Studies have shown that color alone doesn't increase your chances of getting a ticket. The real culprits? Speeding, aggressive driving, and, you guessed it, sports cars. Red cars look fast, but that doesn't mean they're getting ticketed more often than any other color. It's your driving behavior that gets you caught, not the paint job. Myth busted. Drive safe no matter what color your car is. Next up, myth number four. Washing your car in the sun seems fine, right? But here's the truth. It's not as harmless as you think. Washing your car under the hot sun causes the water and soap to dry too fast, leaving behind nasty water spots and streaks. Plus, those spots can damage your paint over time. Myth busted. Wash your car in the shade or in the early morning for the best results. Your car will thank you. Last myth for today. Do you really need to change your oil every 3,000 miles? This one might surprise you. Modern engines and oils have come a long way, and most cars today don't need an oil change until 5,000 to 7,500 miles, or even longer with synthetic oil. Always check your car's manual for the exact recommendation. If you're still changing your oil every 3,000 miles, you're probably doing it more often than necessary and wasting money. Myth busted. Stick to your manufacturer's recommendations and save some cash while you're at it. So there you have it, folks. 5 car myths completely busted. Were you surprised by any of them? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next myth-busting adventure. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe. Until next time, Performance Playground, out.